Alright, so it's been a little while. It hasn't really officially started yet because it's still only 2:15 in the afternoon. This thing officially starts at 3. But this place is filled up. There's still people coming, but people are setting up, people are here walking around, so I'm going to take another tour as it's filled up, so yeah, let's go. I wasn't going to bug you again, Joel, but you've got the car out now, so... Now, have you made a video yet of it assembled and together yet? So
Murph will be the first time it's assembled.
Okay.
We're going to do it tomorrow morning, Saturday, and we're going to do it with Daniel Loren. He's going to help me put it together.
Okay, so I can't publish this until you publish yours then?
Whatever.
Wow, this thing is awesome.
Get some good videos of it, Matt.
Just for size reference.
Yeah, just for size.
Okay, just
there you go. There you go.
That's the tire, you know. That's amazing. And if you haven't seen the video of Joel making this, I'll put a card right up here at the top. I can't remember which side to point at ever, but yeah, you do one of those. Thanks, Joel. You're so awesome.
I help where I can.
That turned out pretty good, though.
The size of my round head.
How about these?
I'm still awestruck.
I know. Well, you kind of want to throw.
I'll leave Joel alone.
Thank you so much, sir.
There you go, Matt.
Fantastic.
I'll take the marker.
Stalking you, Jerry. Hi, Jerry.
How's it going?
How are you, buddy?
Is that a camera?
Yeah.
Is that an Olympus pen camera?
Yes.
I never even heard of such a thing.
No, check this out. Watch
Got
this.
3D printed parts on it. Oh my God, I can see myself. Oh God, I can see myself.
What's up, dog? How are you, buddy?
What's up, Captain? You made the damn thing.
Very cool. What's going on? We got today's 3D print, and he's got a table full of stuff with a 3D printer being run off of a battery. You want to see? Let's check this out. So this is printing off of that battery pack right there. And you said it's been printing for how long now?
Going for over an hour.
Going for over an hour.
All cordless.
All cordless. So that's like a UPS, or?
Yeah, actually it functions as a UPS.
Okay.
It's one of the reasons that's my favorite, because you can actually use it as a UPS for your printers.
That's amazing.
And I finally got Ender quality prints out of this. Very simple fix.
Okay.
Get rid of the bearing.
Get rid of the bearing?
They had a capture bearing up here
okay.
for the Z-Rod. That just caused it to bind. The Z-Rod's not guidance. The Z-Rod's movement.
Correct.
But it's rigid.
Correct.
So if you bind it, it's going to push and pull. So it should be free floating.
All right.
Took it off, and you can see the difference in the two Totoros there. All the banding's gone.
Your table is filled. Look at the size of your Joel bot, man.
It's nothing yet. Biggest Joel bot ever made so far, 67% Joel. About a 1% Joel.
What? I've got to zoom in. I don't know if I can even focus. All I'm getting you to your nose. Ah, you're eating, Joel. Holy crap. And what size is that?
I don't know. 15 millimeter? 20 millimeter?
What was the percentage in your slicer?
I don't know. I had to redo it to make it this small.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what?
That's
I print them 45 at a time. What? See, that's the cool thing about SLA printing is that
right, it doesn't take any more time.
Irrelevant.
Exactly.
Z height is everything. So one of them, 4 hours. 45 of them, 4 hours.
No, yep, exactly. So awesome, man.
This is what got me into 3D printing. This right here is why I got into 3D printing. Nose cones, parts for my rockets.
All right.
So you know, this is a $10 or $15 nose cone bought. I can print this for $1.
Yeah, and sell it for $15.
Or sell it for 10. Give people a deal.
There you go.
Mars Lander and Mech G made this. Incredible. I'm gonna make this fly.
So make sure you check out his channel. I'll put a card up here. So anyways, good to see you, buddy. I hope you have a good time here at Murph. Nice. Awesome. Thank you. Got the Matter Hackers group over here. What's going on, fellas? What we printing?
A little 3D fill.
We got a little 3D fill going. And of course we're printing with Matter Hackers. Pro PLA.
Yeah, Pro PLA.
Nice. Want to say hi to everybody on my YouTube channel?
What's going on, guys?
If you haven't subscribed to Matter Hackers channel, I'll make sure that I put
Link in the description.
Right up here, I'll put a card maybe. All right, thanks guys.
This thing's pretty cool too, man. Let's see if I can. It's like different types of
compartments.
Yeah.
I've been wanting to print one.
Yeah, me too actually. I saw that they did one right here for like SD cards. It's kind of cool too.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, it's really cool.
That was a good idea.
Wow.
Here's your challenge.
The 3D printing professor, right?
3D professor.
The 3D professor, there you go.
Playing the 3D printed ukulele.
The Spectrum 3D and the broke-ass Wonder Woman.
Doug said, down here in the basement, we have a full bathroom that has a shower. Well, the little guides on the bottom of the shower.
Where'd you print this on? He's back there licking my maker coin. Love the taste of PLA in the morning.
Oh yeah, baby.
Where'd you print the mask on?
What was this guy?
Well, all my work on the first one.
Oh, okay. Hi. What do you got here, guys?
The Iron Giant.
What's up? Who are you?
I am Garrett.
Nice to meet you, Garrett.
Nice to meet you too.
We've met each other already. And who are you, pretty lady?
Chelsea.
Nice to meet you, Chelsea. And you have a YouTube channel, right?
Yes.
And what's your channel name?
Chaos Quartet.
Nice. I'll put a link in the description too, and you got the Iron Giant here, huh?
Yep.
And you printed this on what?
The Prusa Mark III, Prusa Mark IIS, and Provo R2.
He is absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
And how long of a print?
Over 400 hours of printing.
Oh, wow.
And I guess Hogarth was printed on the P.O. Poly Moai SLA printer. And then Chelsea painted that.
Fantastic. Now, pretty much everything on the table is 3D printed?
Yep, and all modeled by one of us and painted and post-processed by her.
Did you guys get one of my maker coins yet?
I don't think so.
I will trade you.
Certainly.
But you can win some filament. Well, this is where the 3dpc.tech booth is. We got Jimbo and Al back there setting up some things. Got some tests of filament that we're going to be giving away and printing with. Some magic goo samples to be given away. All kinds of great stuff for these guys.
Surprise package. Has the filament series.
Bunch of samples. Nice.
All kinds of different colors.
Yeah.
Reds, greens, pinks. Gyros. Don't take it. Yeah, go ahead.
So the guys at Fun 3D are here, Fun King 3D, excuse me. What's going on, guys? And they're gonna pick. Nice, just getting here.
Yeah, just got
How
here.
far a challenge you guys have to go?
It was supposed to be 17 hours, turned closer to 20.
And you
All the way from Florida.
drove.
Drove.
Now, what part of Florida?
It's a town called Lady Lake. Nobody knows where it is. So it's about an hour and a half north of Orlando.
Okay.
And about an hour south of Gainesville.
Okay. I went to high school in Crystal River.
Okay. So you know where Lady
West
Lake is.
Central Coast, yeah.
Sure. That's your name.
Let's get the maker coin out and let's see if these guys can win some filament, huh? Woo! All right.
Hey,
How we doing, boss?
How are you?